amazing moves.
Exactly, that's what I said.
Yeah. Okay, so what are we up to? So, gee, you ever wanted to go to London?
Yeah, of course. It's definitely one of the places I want to go to. How are you?
No.
Why not?
It's because we Nightingale sing too much.
You don't like singing? Why are you here, Timmy?
Yeah.
Not even the girls. Looking for. What's he looking for?
Okay, you're all right. It was good.
Exactly.
Okay, so what we got next coming up is a Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. It is made famous from London, like 2 artists from London. They were named Eric Maschwitz, and music was by Manning Sherwin and Jack Shashi.
Our soloists will be Robin Nguyen, or just Robin Nguyen, and our
on guitar,
will be
Oliver
Oliver.
Dwan.
Woo!